super motivated to apply to the accelerator program with WLDA when I saw it because they've done an incredible job curating mentors in this community that I really respect, and most of which I've followed on LinkedIn and online for a long time, and really wanted to get in front of them and get their feedback on what we're building, which was really useful for us since we're trying to tailor our product to data groups and data leaders. And this seemed like an excellent opportunity to do that.
My eye first was women in data science, because in my whole career in tech, I had met very few women as peers, and significantly less or fewer women as part of kind of management bodies in tech. And so just knowing that there existed this unicorn place of women leaders in data science already caught my attention. And I'm incredibly excited. I think networking with women is always one of my favorite things. So that's what caught my attention, and learning from them and their experiences.
Applying to the WLDA Ventures was amazing. And especially there was so much focus around women leaders in data and AI. I found it very, very helpful to come together with different women in the startup world to be able to learn together and grow together. The mentors that WLDA provided has been amazing. It was very, very organized, and there was a great framework, and I could learn a lot from them. And basically, a lot of what I have in my deck today in my presentation is through learning from my peers, as well as learning from all the different mentors, including Asha, who has done some classes for us.
To WLDA Ventures was its commitment to supporting underrepresented founders and also its promotion of diversity in tech. Being part of WLDA has given me a sense of community in a male-dominated industry. It has been energizing to be part of a group of impressive women, including both mentors and my peers in my cohort, who have given me both strong encouragement and constructive feedback.
I think it's extremely unique. What is the WLDA Ventures focused on cutting-edge technologies, especially AI, and I think they definitely game changer, not only for us, but for all this.